Jake's gross income is $48,000. When filing his income taxes, he plans to take the standard deduction of $14,600. What is his adjusted gross income? All right, the math on this one is real simple. You just have to understand what it's asking. So the adjusted, which is what we're looking for, is the gross income minus any deductions. That's it. So his gross income is 48,000. You're allowed to deduct certain things from your gross income on your income taxes, things such as property tax, interest on home loans, medical expenses. There's all sorts of things. If you don't have enough deductions though, or you just don't want to keep track of them, you can take the standard deduction. So we're just going to subtract the standard deduction. Let's see if we can. Don't be afraid to pick up the calculator if you need it or just want it. Okay, so as always, watch this video as many times as you need, take whatever notes will help you, and then try the question again from the test on the next slide.